life than working Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 for the rest of my life. Okay, so I actually jumped into the entrepreneurial world back in 2014, and within a year I was earning double in my businesses than what I was earning in my full-time job. So come September 2015, and I was able to walk away from my full-time career, and it was the best feeling ever. So surreal. Fast forward to today, me and my husband, we have a number of businesses, and we really love to travel. We decided last year that we wanted to do more of it, a lot more of it. And in doing so, we were looking for like an opportunity, a business, a way, that we could make money, first of all, completely online, that we could make it for like money anywhere in the world. So whilst we're on the move, and also there would be like automated, like on autopilot in effect. And that's when we came across this opportunity. And I was there, I was watching the workshop just like you guys have done tonight, and I was blown away. I could see that there was like nothing to lose and everything to gain. So I checked it out. I had my coaching call, and I became that action taker. And I would say like the trainings, it took me about a week to get through the trainings. And I actually did start to see like results pretty immediately. So I got started at the end of last year. And what it's kind of done for me is like, it's just given me that extra income stream. It's working very flexibly. It doesn't take up too much time. It's like on autopilot, which I absolutely love. And just for example, we were honeymooning just in Sri Lanka and the Maldives at the start of this year, and this business was still working for us. So it is just incredible. I just say, guys, just grab it and run. It's phenomenal.